Top 10 Fast Food Restaurant in Denver. 1. Blazing Bird, Nashville Hot Chicken Denver, 4.7, 314 reviews, North Broadway B. 2. Atomic Cowboy, home of Denver Biscuit Company and Fat Sully's Knee Pizza, 4.6, 8,047 reviews, East Colfax Avenue. 3. Crown Burgers, 4.6, 3,502 reviews, South Colorado Boulevard. 4. Birdcall, 4.6, 1,787 reviews, East 26th Avenue. 5. City is City, 4.5, 6,196 reviews, East 13th Avenue. 6. In-N-Out Burger, 4.5, 2,280 reviews, Central Park Boulevard. 7. Ben's Fast Food, 4.5, 174 reviews, Vallejo St. 8. Chick-fil-A, 4.4, 4,296 reviews, Quebec St. 9. Chick-fil-A, 4.3, 2,654 reviews, East Colfax Avenue. 10. Mustard's Last Stand, 4.3, 1,119 reviews, South University Boulevard.